Hey guys, today we are going to work on Harlow's school homework project, which we're supposed to pick a family recipe that she helps cook and take pictures and send it for her school recipe book that they're making in class. So it's really exciting. Right, Harlow? Mm-hmm. You excited? Mm-hmm. And Pootie's gonna be here helping too. Right, Pootie? You're helping? Good job. Yeah, you eat the cookie. Good job. Good job. So we decided we're gonna cook chicken for our family recipe. This is, I think we're gonna call it Dad's Famous Chicken, because for you all that don't know, Trey makes really good chicken. Harlow decided she needs a snack in between cooking. You got it? Come on, Harlow, you're strong enough. Yeah, you can. What are you eating? What are you eating, Pootie? You gotta save your appetite for the chicken. No sharing with the dog. Grab a chicken.
It's sticky.
Drop it in there.
Some more. Grab more chicken. Some more chicken. A little more chicken.
My chicken's like me.
All right. Now we have our chicken in our seasoned flour. We're gonna shake it up. Hold it right here. Hold it real tight. Shake it. Don't let it go.
Good job, Pootie. Pootie said good job. Yay, bravo, Pootie. Yeah, bravo.
Alright, now we're going to take the chicken out. Shake it off. Shake it. Okay? Then we're going to hold it like this. Let it go real quick. And we're going to apply it to the grease. I'm not going to let Harlow do this part because
Dangerous.
we don't want her to splash it and burn anybody, especially herself.
You want to do that? That's hot, baby. Yeah, daddy turn. Time to wash your hands, Harlow. This is important. Good job. All of it. Okay. Good job. Okay, now you're going to take some butter and put it in there.
Put it there?
Yeah.
There?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay, a little bit more. There you go.
More?
Yeah, one more. Good job. Okay, a little bit of sugar, okay?
Okay.
I might have to help you with this one. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to put it on the stove in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Getting ready for the mac and cheese. Mommy's favorite. Right? Mommy's favorite? Good job. Mmm.
Go this way.
Got this side. Got this side.
Really, Putin? Why you do that? Really?
Wash your hands. Time to wash your hands now.
This is our family recipe.
Bye.
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 Bye, Putin.